Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing in front of a brand new boat we just got in inventory. It's a 2019 290 SDX outboard, and this one's equipped with twin 250s with joystick, which makes it incredibly easy to dock and maneuver. As you can see here too, it's got a metallic paint job that really glistens in the sun and will definitely stand apart at the sandbar. So walking into the boat, the first thing you'll see is a nice aft seat. You've got incredible storage on this boat when you go with outboards, and just you'll see how easily that opened up there just by releasing that lever. You got nice storage for a wakeboard, any kind of water toys, and nicely positioned in the back of the boat so you don't have to carry them all wet inside. It's got an incredible amount of seating in this boat. Nice countertop with sink, coolers, storage underneath all of these seats. And then check out how clean this dash is. You got a flush mount touchscreen Simrad unit in this black acrylic that looks real nice. Joystick. On the port side here, you've got a head with a lot of space for 29 foot. Alright, moving up into the bow, you'll notice that the SDX series has a nice squared off bow, which really maximizes the amount of seating up here. Nice windlass anchor. And then check out the detail, nice honeycomb stitching. You got flip down armrest. Beautiful boat. This is definitely one you got to come see in person. So whenever you get a chance, give us a call here at MarineMax Palm Beach, 561-494-7267. My name is Jordan, and I look forward to hearing back from you.